In today's technical corner, we're going to be talking about the multi-flute demon cutter from Quickgrind. I hope they're not as scary as they sound, Mike.
They can be, yeah. Yeah, multi-flute, we do various numbers of flutes. We got the larger one 6, the other smaller one an 8 flute. They're a finishing tool, as we call them, sometimes call them a super finisher. For the name says what it does, it finishes very, very well. So.
Sure, so we're reducing the radial depth of cut, but increasing our feed rate significantly,
Yeah,
presumably.
absolutely, yeah. So you've done all the hard work, you've taken all the roughing out, you've got the component ready to finishing. That's sometimes it takes a lot of time. So we'll produce the flute lengths and geometry to suit the application, as I always say, and see what the customer wants to achieve, and we'll produce the tool for it.
What type of features? Are we talking just at the outside of a component or in a bore maybe?
Yep, your bore, pockets, external profiling. Yeah, absolutely.
So why would we use this instead of just a standard 4 flute?
You get a better finish, really. Yeah, sometimes higher number of flutes gives you a better finish. So that's basically it.
And if there's a surface, if there's a bottom to the bore, to the pocket, it's end cutting.
It's end cutting as well. Yeah, and generally there's not much requirement for rads, but we will put edge prep on as well if we need to.
Sure. So if we look at the tool, obviously this one is 246 flute. Is that a 16 mil?
That's 16 mil. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's a big lump of carbide, and the grind is exceptional, isn't it?
Yeah. It's something, we're called Quickgrind. We grind tools quickly. That's what we do. But we specialise in producing the geometry for the applications. So they generally will have what we call a D geometry, so steel, die steel geometry. But we can produce them with, if someone needs to. If a 4 flute for APSI isn't working in stainless or titanium as well as we want it to, then we could look at multi-flutes for that application.
And it's relieved, it's necked again, so for deep pocket applications?
Yeah, on that particular tool, that was for a customer, so that's what they needed. Obviously we can regrind them. If we regrind them, we can neck them back, so you've still got the same reach.
And this is a standard tool from Quickgrind?
It's a standard, one of our standard ranges. As we always say, we love to make tools for the job, so give us an application, we'll come up with a tool.
Sub-micrograin carbide?
Absolutely.
Ground on your anchor machines, X-red coating?
Yep. Generally X-red on that. Sometimes we'll do MX coating, which is more for the die steel industry. Sometimes we found that a flash tin coating on top works seriously well as well. So it depends on the application, the coolant, if there is coolant, and what we're trying to achieve.
So if you're chasing the seconds and you want a superior surface finish to the tool you're currently using, take a look at the Demon Cutters from Quickgrind. Thanks for watching.